Let me make you a promise. If you spend 1 minute reviewing this model, it'll be self-evident to you that this 12-step process will indeed design a practical, fit-for-purpose workshop, one that your teammates can't wait to attend because they know beyond a shadow of a doubt that you will get real work done. Now let me give you a brief overview of the 12 steps. They're grouped into 3 phases. The contract, which is the design process, commence, which is the workshop, and carry on, which is what happens after your workshop. Now, the contracting phase includes 9 steps that start with what the leader believes they want to achieve. Now, often the leaders want to focus on something that needs to change or improve because their teammates are not working well together. Next, as the team leader, team facilitator and workshop agenda designer, you conduct teammate interviews to learn what they want to accomplish. Now, it's not unusual to learn that what the leader said they wanted may not be what the team needs. Now, in steps 8 and 9, the workshop outcomes and agenda are finalized and distributed. And it is here when teammates begin to express to you their excitement because they can't wait to attend the work session. They know for certain that the team will get real work done, work that will resolve issues that are near and dear to them. Now, next you conduct the workshop and achieve the outcomes. Those outcomes will include work agreements plus a set of action plans that improve teamwork between now and the next team building workshop. Now, at the close of your workshop, teammates commit to living their agreements and achieving their action items. And then, approximately 3 months later, the team begins designing its next workshop using the 12 steps as its guide. As your 3-month team building cycle is repeated, your team becomes more productive because teammates consistently do no harm and work together as one, thus ensuring your team creates and sustains right-minded teamwork. Now go ahead, review the information below. Look closely at the 12 steps. Maybe watch the introductory video. Then download the book and package and get started designing your first right-minded team building workshop today.